Crying, but I'm out on the road again. I'm on the road again. But I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again. I'm on the road again. I ain't got no woman just to call my special friend. You know the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. You know the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. I didn't have no pharaoh, not even no place to go. And my dear mother left me when I was quite young.
Okay, Chef Jean-Claude, then get your apron on there, babe.
Later on we have to. Is your which beer is that? It's gone. Was the camera tonight?
Huh?
Oh, he called yesterday.
Okay, so now, who is next? Who is next here?
Oh my goodness, he's putting the rubber gloves. Got us a little campfire going here on Labor Day 2002. Andrew is official firekeeper.
Non, c'est pas ça, Jean-Claude. Mais non, quand tu l'as écrasé, il était pas.
Bon, the liquid food.
We're in a steak park. You want a limonade?
Did you put anything in it?
Yeah, we will suggest it.
You want one? We're going to start with arugula salad with a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette, and on the side you have the lobster claws with a saffron lobster mayonnaise. And on the other side we're going to have a little slice of foie gras with, of course, French bread, where it's going to be toasted on the fire right there.
Oh, I burned my hair too.
And of course, the foie gras is coming with aspic.
So why don't you give them the recipe for the aspic, Jean-Claude?
The aspic. That's I don't think we can give the recipe
because
for the aspic.
it's your grandmother's recipe. I know.
And
Yeah, Grandma Nora.
They're only at the end, Jean-Claude. So how did you make that mayonnaise, Jean-Claude?
What I did, I took egg yolk, a little bit of Dijon mustard, some lemon juice, salt, pepper, a little bit of saffron, a dash of garlic salt, and I did the emulsion with.
Did you put some lobster extract?
After when it was done, I put some lobster extract inside.
Instead of the two fat ladies,
And
we have the.
Just shut up, okay? That's all right. If what
No.
tonight is just
no, the best of the best, because when we camp, we don't want the part. That's I have to show you. This part. That's look at that. That's a pure foie gras. Look at that. That's foie gras. So that's a foie gras directly from Oakland Valley.
This is not what we serve at the restaurant, though. This is the appetizer.
Appetizer. So
Prepared by Chef Jean-Claude.
So there, let's take it this way. So, like I was saying earlier, we have the foie gras from Oakland Valley with a little bit of aspic, a delicate arugula salad with balsamic vinaigrette topped with fresh Maine lobster, accompanied with saffron and a lobster reduction mayonnaise. And of course, we're going to have the toast, but right now they are the homemade French bread is
It's still on the fire.
So we're going to start, and with that we're drinking. Let's see, let's go to the
and that's Jean-Claude sit here to reward him for making some good food.
The selection. It's tonight we're drinking. Let's see, nobody.
Starving log.
We have
on fire.
We have the Ashford Chardonnay. You know, the nice Chardonnay from Sonoma-County. This one is a 9.9.
What did you say?
It's commercial.
La Brasserie, just off San Carlos and Gladiolus. An artful dining experience.
Et voilà. Nice, no worries.
Completed.
The foie gras has my approval, as well as the rest of the salad. So bon appetit. Water was my ass is the water from the potatoes. So my pants are going to be all starchy.
July et le machin. Parce que le potato.
Okay,
It's alright.
so we did our salad and foie gras, and now we're preparing, after that commercial, we ate it, and now we're preparing for
T'as les
the
oignons?
next course.
Mais pas maintenant. Hein.
Non. Ça va et de l'oignon. Et tu veux des herbes fraîches?
On a pas
That's a dog fat. Because tomorrow we're going to have dog confit, and we took the dog fat.
and beans tomorrow. We're going to make a cassoulet, a fresh
Cassoulet,
cassoulet right
fresh
on the road. A French road cassoulet. An old French old cassoulet.
We have enough lentils to last a year now.
No, because
Hey.
that's the next step.
The day we eat lentils, I mean, we have them for dinner, for breakfast in the morning, and we eat it all.
They did it at night. Oh boy.
You have your own tat.
It's too bad we don't have the smell of the pan because
You know that.
because that's the dog fat, so you have little dog smell of coffee, and the dog fat is a little bit salty from the coffee, so it's going to give this little flavor to the potatoes. It's going to be.
And just another little note, you see how it comes out because of the water in it. So that's nice for the next couple when you come here, you can just go and
And we are going to add also fresh herbs.
In the Ziploc bag.
please smell them. I mean,
Yeah.
smell them.
What kind of paper is that?
Oh, you see? You see how fresh it smells? I tell you, those are.
And they are going to be at the end. We are going to add
Uncle's grandmother's old song.
and at the end we are going to add a little bit of garlic.
We're on the Jewish part, Ray. Say hi to the camera, guys.
Yeah, hi camera. we have to look at where
Look at this, look at this.
Wonderful.
Is that beautiful or what? You know what? I hope the Lalique glass are not going to break. Just take a picture of that.
a friend, we took like a.
No, and we ran out of packing. We lost one of our carry vans.
So what to carry it, so now we have a.
So Jean-Claude's trying to break the stems on this Lalique crystal.
C'est 160
Okay, Rob?
What we want to do is buy that house right down there, Gerard. Zoom in on it way down there.
Oh, that's a long way there.
That's nice.
We're about to buy that house. Starting to put some clothes on? You getting ready to put some clothes on? Feels cold up here, ain't it? This thing's like over 800 feet. I got to take a look at it. Oh, what a drop.
69, 79 and 8, 79 and 8, 87 miles.
People that run the place, the caretakers, and they bought us a little bit of wood. Our campsite, the lake out here. Oh. Up his mattress to see if it's a, put his foot on it.